Starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Welcome to our new session, Algo Trading in Options. I am Kumareshan Selvaraj. I am the founder of BabajiRobotrader.com. So today we are going to see what are algos, what are the uses of algos, what are the strategies we can build with algos. And we are going to see real in the practical example how we can use it for the Bank Nifty. The first thing, the uses of algo. First one is order execution speed. When you compare with the humans, the algos are very faster in executing the orders. Then the second is easy order monitor and the management. Say for example, if you have taken a Bank Nifty 1 lot buy, then after that you want to keep some target and stop loss. We can predefine both the target and stop loss. So the order monitoring is easy and convenient. Then the third thing is multi symbols. So when we are trading more than one symbol at a time, manually we can't monitor all the symbols. When you're going for algos, we can trade 50 symbols at the same time and we can automate with the MT4. So link with the MT4 is very easy. So currently we are giving the 3 best strategies for the MT4. So if you are trading Nifty, Bank Fee or commodity or for options, you can use our strategy. So that will integrate from the MT4 to the algo platform directly. Then we are going to see the requirements. First thing, we need an Alice Blue trading account. So only we require the Alice Blue trading account with the login ID password and the 2FA question answers. The 2FA question answers should be the same. So that all the requirement. It's so simple. So there is no need of AND or the NEST. So we have the integrated software. I will show you after the slides. You can see there will be a direct order. Then the second thing is strategy and the robo. As I said to you before, we are giving both the strategies and the robo. Then the third thing is fast internet and the good PC requirement. When you are going for algo or the robo platform, we need a good PC configuration and the internet speed should be very faster because all the orders are processed from our PC and that is sent it to the exchange. And the rates whatever we are getting in the robo terminal, that are the live rates from the exchange. If there is an internet disconnection in the PC, the rates won't get updated. So for that one, we are giving a VPS server. That's the virtual private server or the virtual private system that is called a remote desktop. So currently we are giving Windows 7 based VPS system. So when you are taking the strategy and the robo with us, so we are giving the VPS system with that one. Then the third thing, we are going to see what are the segments we can automate. So currently we can automate all the segments: MCX, NSE cash, NSE futures, options, NCDX and CDS. So in this session we are going to see only the option trading automation. So when you are going for an option, there are 2 options, that is the call option and the put option. Both you can buy and sell at the same time, right? So we can do a direct option strikes, both call and put, buy, sell. Then second thing, we can build strategy. So what are the strategies we can build in the algo? First is straddle, strangle, iron condor and butterfly. So I will go one by one. So the straddle is the same strike price, you are taking both long or short. So in our robo, we can take both long or we can take both short also. You can sell and buy at the same time. Then the strangle, away from the current at the different strike prices, you can take a long or you can take the short. So straddle and the strangle that are coming the first legs, it will be involving 2 options, the call and put, either buy or sell. Then the third thing is iron condor. In the iron condor, we are doing a strangle plus buy call and the buy put. It will be OTM call and the OTM put. So first we are building a strangle. With that one, we are buying a OTM call and the OTM put to limit our risk. Then the fourth thing is a butterfly. In the butterfly, we are taking a straddle plus the buy call and the buy put. There's a OTM call buy and the OTM put buy. So up to this, everything is clear. So now I'm moving for the third option. In the third one, so we can link the MT4 and the robo. We will give the strategy in the MT4. So through the MT4 strategy, the robo will take the buy sell according to the signal provided in the MT4. If the MT4 signal giving a buy, it will take the call buy. If it giving a sell in the Bank Nifty, it will take a put buy. Say for example, the first signal we got a Bank Nifty buy call. So that will take the call option buy. Sooner when you are getting a sell call in the Bank Nifty, it will square off the call option and that will take the buy in the put option. So we can set both the target and the stop loss. So now we can move to the live session. So how we can do it, I will just explain you one by one.
Starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
For the auto trading, just you can visit our site babajirobottrade.com. So in our download section, we given a separate file for the API. So you press download. After download, just you can install those files. You get our two icons in the desktop. First is the LSG and the second we get the MT4. So currently I just activate both for this one, both for the LSG and for the second software MT4. So when you're going for LSG, we have the complete setup. There is no need of for the nest or for the end. So when you press the setting, we have to enter all the detail. So that is given in the LS Blue for the login and the password and the 2FA question. So once that is done, okay, that's all. We have to press the first option. There is a login to LS Blue. Suppose if you are trading the M6 or for the futures or for the options, so we can load the direct strikes from here. Suppose if you are trading the options, so we have to select the NFO option. So we have the complete contract details. Suppose if you are going for a Bank Nifty, just we are choosing Bank Nifty, BNK Bank, NFT Nifty. So then we can choose the strike price. Suppose if you're loading what you call 20,100, so select the strike and we are pressing add symbol. So once that is done, we can see in the what you call trading symbol. So if you don't want any symbol, just you can press delete. So once the symbol is added, we have to integrate with the MT4 platform. So we have an option called MT4 symbol. So just open the MT4 symbol. Here in the MT4, which are the currently I just loaded the Bank Nifty futures. So here in this symbol, so I have to select the same Bank Nifty. So I'm selecting Bank Nifty. After that, I am pressing start. It's so very simple. First, we are logging to the LS Blue. Then the second step, we are loading the contract. Which are the contract we have to go for trading. So we are loading the contract. Then the fourth step, we are selecting the symbol. Which symbol we are going to integrate with the MT4 and for the Robo. Then finally we are pressing start. So once we press start, we can notice the CMP started getting updated directly from the LS Blue. So if there is any buy sell call in the MT4, it will send a signal. So that will take the order directly. So here we have the option, we loaded the call option. If you want to take only the call buy, so we have an option called side. Which side you want to take buy or the sell. So in the trade side, suppose if you are doing the call option buy or sell, so we have the option go for the call buy only. So when you select call buy only means, so whenever the chart that is giving the buy signal, here this symbol will be taken buy directly. When you are getting the sell signal, it will square up the call option. So in case if you are the seller, if you want to sell and go for a cover, you can select the call sell only. There is an option called call sell only. I'll maximize it. Okay, we can see this one. So if you are a seller, you can select the call sell only option. In case if you are getting the sell signal means, this call will be sold automatically. Understood? Everyone understood? Then after that, we have the option called option builder. So we are selecting the option builder. In case if you want to go for straddle, strangle, butterfly, or for the iron condor, so we have the separate option called option champion. So here we can build the strategy and here we can automate. Both we can do it at the same time. So I will show you how we can do it. First we have to select the pilot symbol. If we're doing trading for the Bank Nifty, so just type it as a Bank Nifty space and we're selecting the weekly. Suppose if it is a 14 min, the expiry I'm typing 14 May, then 2020 and I'm loading the strike. When I'm loading the pilot symbol, we have to choose the mid symbol. So currently we can say in the chart that is trading 19,800. So here we can choose the same what you call 19,800. Select a pivot. So we get it. So we can press the down key. I'm just pressing it. Bank Nifty. Then 14 May to May. Then after that, so I can choose the contract. We can load either the collar port. Then after that, I'm giving the build option chain. So once I give the build option chain, we can see how we are seeing the website, NSE website. We can see all the call puts. The first option we are seeing the calls and the strike prices, the put option with the current market price, and we are getting the straddle price. Then after that, we can fill up the quantity
and for the type selection. Here you have the two options. First is the MIS and for NRable. And the fourth option is the buy straddle. Suppose in case if you want to go for a buy straddle at the morning, right? Simply we have to press the buy straddle. Once you press the buy straddle, both the call and put will be taken. Suppose here, for example, there is a 19,800. So if you are pressing the buy straddle means, so both the call and the put buy will be taken simultaneously. Because when you are going for the terminal, I will show you the terminal. So this is the AND terminal. So AND terminal means every time you have to load both the strikes. Like this on Bank Nifty, same as like that, 14, May, then 20, so 19,800. So here every symbol we have to load it one by one, right? So if you want to press buy or sell, it will take much time. So option buyers or the option sellers, the time is much important to build the strikes. So for example, if I just opening a buy, we have to fill all the forms and I have to press buy. So that will take much time. So when you're building a strategies. But here in the vertical Babaji Robo Trader and for the option champion, we made it very easy. Once you press the buy straddle button, it will take both the call and the put at the same time. Same for the vertical sell straddle. In case if you want to take at the morning, right? Suppose in case if you're finding a market vertical stay in a range, so you can go for a sell straddle. So once you press this button, the position will be taken automatically. Okay, without any word form filling, without any word selection of MAS and something like that. So here already we select this one MAS. Default will just go as like a MAS. And for the iron condor, it will give you an idea, right? So what are the strikes? It can be built, right? So here we can build it only on this 3 strike price. It will show the build up, and that too it will reflect the premium. So how much premium we will collect it once you just go for the iron condor. So fifth, we have the butterfly strategy. These are 4 leg strategies. When you're going for iron condor or for the butterfly. So here for this iron condor, you have to make a straddle, and after that you have to buy the OTMs, right? So there will be 4 contracts involved. You have to sell call, sell put, buy call, and for buy put. So when you are going for a normal model, it will take the plenty amount of time you have to go for this one to build up. When you're going for option champion, once you press this button, all the strikes will be taken simultaneously. I think so after butterfly, we have the option called the long straddle, and for the stop triangle. And in case if you want to go for a plain call sell or the plain put, so you can just press this button, it will take the call sell and the put sell. Okay, so now I do one thing, I will just want to do it one by one, so we can able to understand. First I'm building the buy straddles and just simply pressing this button, so we can see the order update happen at a very instant, right? So we can see in the order book also, at the same time, we got both the buy on the vertical 19,800 and the 19,000 put option same time. Okay, in case if you want to square up this position, okay, so just opening the option chain, so same button. So see here we got the color change. If you want to close this one, just press the same button. It's a fraction of the second we have closed all the trades. Okay, because everything is very instant. Because when you're going for a normal buy sell, so that will take hardly about 30 seconds or for a minute to make the strategy. But when you are going for this an option champion, within a press of the button, all the strikes are taken instantaneously. Okay. So next I go for a sell straddle. So same thing. The first is the buy straddle is we are buying the 2 strikes, right? Both the 90,800 and the 19,800 put, the call and put, we are buying at the same time. So here the sell straddle is we are selling. There is the opposite. Because the buy straddles are taken. When you are seeing the market aggressive, there is a sudden movement on the both upside and the downside. We are building the buy straddle. If you are going for a sell straddle, just press this button. We can see with the fraction of the second, we got both the call and put got taken short, right? That way, what you call fraction of the second, we got the orders. Because in the market, actually the market moves very fast. Because the Bank Nifty, we know how much fast that is moving up and down, right? With the option chain, we can make all the strategies very instantaneous, even for the vertical multiple strategies. Because if you want to go for as like a 2 lot of sell and for actually go for a cover, or for when you're going for vertical ratio spreads, everything will be done within these options. Okay. So in case if you want to close the straddle, so press the same button. Okay. So we can see within a fraction of the second, all the positions are closed. So now I go for this iron condor. So here we can't build this because we have defined in the top we have the First leg we given 2, and the second leg we have given 4. Okay, and the number of strikes I have loaded here. So here you have the number of strikes, 1, 2, 3, like that. So number of strikes we are loaded max around vertical tens with a pivot point of 19,800. Okay, if I increase, what will happen? Suppose in case if you want to go for a strike difference. So difference means, suppose when you are going for an iron condor, right? So what we will do, we will take, suppose we can short this one, vertical 19,900. Okay, one lot, and we have to buy the 20,200 one lot, and the opposite, same opposite, we are selling for one lot of 90,600 and we are going to buy 90,400, right? So this makes the iron condor, right? If you are going for a normal, either we can press like this, right? We can go for a buy, okay, then after that we can go for sell, again we can go for a sell, again we can go for a buy. So that will take much time, even when you are going for to build a normal strategies. Okay, so that is taking much time. So for this, the 4 leg strategies, it will take more than about 2 minutes. In our robo, right, in our option champion, we made it very easy. When you press this button, all the strategy will be loaded automatically. So I'm just pressing this button, so we can see all the 4 legs are loaded with a fraction of the second. So we got that 2 sell, we got the call option, there is a 20,000 call, we sold, and we have sold 90,600 put, and we have brought 90,400 put, one lot. We have brought the bottom vertical call option, vertical 20,200 call option. That is a fraction of a second. Everything is instantaneous. Once you press this button, all the strategies are built automatically. Okay. In case if you want to close it, the same thing, we are pressing the same button. Okay. We are just closing all the strategies. Okay, we can see first we just want to build a straddle. Then after that we made a short straddle. After that we made iron condor. Okay, so everything, all the strategies are instantaneous and super fast. So we have the final strategy, that is a butterfly. So if you want to make the butterfly, so what is butterfly? So butterfly means first you have to make a straddle. Okay, the first we have to sell both the call and the put same strike price, and we are buying away from the strike price. Okay, so that is a butterfly. So I'm going to press this button, so see what will happen. So now we can see first it got shorted 90,800 put, and that is shorted 90,800 call, and that is brought 19,400 put, and that is brought 20,200 call. So this is a butterfly. Okay, so in case if you're leaving the butterfly, that is defining maximum premium. How much we can collect at this moment is 7,000 rupees. If you build it, then if you're leaving it, then the market is not moving anywhere, you will collect this premium by expiry. Okay, so I'm just closing the butterfly. So I'm just pressing the button, so all strikes are closed instantaneously. It very easy, because so when you are the option trader, we have to build this strategy, it should be very fast, right? That is not possible with the normal method. So we have built this one. So that is for the trader perspective. So these are very fast and accurate. So when you're going for a long straddle and the short straddle, that is same as like the straddle. So the first straddle means we are buying same strike price. So strangle means we are buying away from the strike price. Okay, I will build this one. Okay, I just brought and closed same time. So question has been closed. Okay, so I built at the short strangle. Okay, so here we can the short strangle, that is 19,600, that is away from the current market price. Okay, a strangle means it should be away from the current market price. So current market price, actually we just loaded the pilot symbol, that is 19,800. Okay, 19,800. When you press this one from there, so that will take the 2 strike price away. So in the first leg we given a 2. So 2 means from the 19,800, so 2 strike price away, we can define 19,600 put, that is the bottom side. So 2 strike price away, so that taken a sell, and in the top side for the call, right, that has sold 2 strike price away, that is about 20,000 call, it sold 1 lot. Everything is fast and instantaneous. So if you want to close this one, again we have to press the same close button. Okay, so finally we are coming for the same strike, that for the MT4 automation. So here in the previously in this example, what we have done, so we are trading with the one call or put option, right? But when the market moves up or down, right? So we don't know which strike price to choose, or we will be late. Okay. So for the ease of the traders, right? So we made it as like a link to this one MT4, right? So we have to load the symbol. First I'm selecting the what we call Bank Nifty. After that, we can choose the lot size. How many lot size I'm going for a buy sell. After that, we can fix the target and stop loss, and I'm pressing start. If I press start means, so whenever in the MT4 that is giving a buy call, okay, this robo will take the call option. So whenever we are getting a sell call, it will take the put option. Okay. In case if the signal given the buy signal, so currently there is no signals going on because yesterday buy getting what carried on, right? So I just changed to 1 minute. Let me see any signals. So basically we are giving the three template. First is the 2.0 light version and 2.0 plus and the 7.0 Pro. So morning we got a sell call, and after this is the flash session. I think I kept it in 1 minute session. If you want to change it to 5 or 15, so we can change it. Yesterday and before yesterday, there are huge sideways. Previous sessions, we got the nice buy and sells. So once we get the buy sell buy indication in the MT4, this robo will take automated call option because we just linked with the MT4. It means that so we loaded the symbol Bank Nifty. In case if there is a buy signal, because of automation, it will take the call option, the two strike price. Okay, everything in the strike different, we have to give it here only. First leg and the second leg. Second leg, that is for the iron condors and for the butterflies. The first leg for the linking and for the strangle, we are giving the first leg. So when we just automation with one, okay. So whenever we are getting the buy signal, it will take the two strike price away buy. Whenever we are getting a sell signal, it will square off the call option and that will take the put option automatically. In case if we give the target and stop loss, it will square off at the target and stop loss. So in the first option, we have seen direct call and put option buy sell. Okay. So with the trade sides, we can define which side we want to buy or sell. Okay. And in the second, we have seen how we can build the straddle, strangle, line contour, butterfly. Okay. Both for the long strangle and both for the short strangle. Everything is available in the vertical option champion. Okay. Here we can increase or decrease the lot size. And finally, we have seen the third option, that is to link with the MT4 signals, right? So here you have the three signals, 2.0 and 2.0 plus and 7.0 Pro. So we can link with any of the signals in case if you have a strategy. So we will code the strategy for you. So after that, we can link with the robo. So you can visit our site, babajirobotrader.com. So this is our site. To get the demo, the downloads, we have given the option that is Alice Blue API Robo. You can just install it. After that, in the demo, right, you have to fill the form, right? So once you fill the form, we will give you the demo for 2 days. So just you can go through it. So if you have any more doubts, we have the YouTube channel. That is the name of Babaji MT4 or the Babaji Trading System. So here we are giving new strategies. Currently we just giving back spread strategies, right? The most of the HNA traders this kind of strategy to make a profit. Yesterday also I given the option calls to the clients, right? So you can see the videos and you can build the strategies through our robo. So that will be very easy for you. So we are giving the complete strategy. Every day we just updating the profit. Profit is giving for this strategy, right? Everything I'm just showing in our this YouTube channel. So just you can visit the YouTube channel and you can just search for Babaji Trading System. So here we are giving one of the advanced strategies free for all the customers. So just you can YouTube channel and you can search for Babaji Trading System. And for any advanced classes, we just posting in the YouTube channel. So day for yesterday, I just posted the cash liquid put, how we can go about it. And I just building the secret option strategies, the double back split plus. With that one, everything is possible with this robo. Because all the strategies, because either you have to buy or the sell, okay, everything we can build with this one. For the strategy optimization, we can link with the MT4. Okay. Okay. If you have any doubt or queries, so you can just ping me now because the session is closed. To install the robo, first we are going for babajirobotrader.com. So there in the downloads, we have an option. First option is the Nest and Now robo. So we are choosing the second option, Alice Blue API robo, and we are pressing download. So after installation, we get the two icon. The first is the Alice G, and the second we are getting the MT4 system. So in the MT4 system, this is used to link with the Alice G. Okay. So here is the allergy. So here we are the first step every day morning. It won't require the Nest platform or the Ant platform. So this is the direct platform. Okay. So here we are choosing the login to AlexBlue. After that, we are loading the symbol. Okay. Which symbol we are going for automation. After that, we have to choose the MT4 symbol. Okay. If you're trading with the Nifty, you can load the Nifty symbol. If you're trading with the Bank Nifty, you can just load with the Bank Nifty. And you once press start, all the trades will be taken according to the signal, MT4 signal. So here also you can take the buy and sell directly. So here we given the 3 button. One is the buy button, sell button, and the close button. In case if you want to build it from here also, you can press this button. Say for example, if I press the buy, so we can see the fresh buy has taken initiated. Okay. So we can see our this an AND platform. See here is taken. Everything at the fraction of a second. If you don't have the AlexBlue account, so you can visit our site babajirobotrade.com. So there in the offer section, we given one form, right? So you can fill this form. The whoever coming through our referral, for the customer, we are selling at the price of 20,000 rupees for this rope for the full year. Else, if you are coming already account is open, it will be 30,000 rupees for the full year. So if you have any doubt, so you can just ping me now. The question is asked as like so what is the minimum capital required, right? So that is depends on the strategy you are building. Okay, suppose if you are going for only for the long, okay, for this strategy, for the long strategy, so only the premium, we can say 500 mean, so 500 into 20, that is required only about 10,000 rupees. Okay, if you are going for a sell, right, intraday sell, that is required the 50,000 rupees. If you are carry forward, it will be about 1,50,000 rupees. That is depends on the what you call margin requirement. What you call frequently that will get changed, right? So you can visit what you call AlexBlue and you can just confirm with the pricing models. Okay, any other questions? Because in the question window, I am not able to maximize it. Just a minute. Because I am getting plenty of questions. I will answer one by one. Mr. Vinny is asking if there is any monthly fee. So for this robo, it will be a monthly fee will be there. This robo will be chargeable 5,000 rupees. That is including robo strategy and for the MT4 data. If you are taking for full year, it will be 30,000 rupees for 1 year. Or else if you don't have the AlexBlue account, you can open one new account here through our referral form. For the customers who are opening through our referral, the per year 20,000 will be there. Okay, in case if you have the own strategy, right? So we will build the strategy in the MT4 only, right? So building cost basic charge will be 4,500 rupees. So the 4,500 rupees, that is a one-time charges. It will vary what depends on the strategy. First we have to make the indicator, then only we have to make it a year, right? The basic charge for the strategy building, that is a 4,500 rupees. Mr. Uday has asked about do we can trade with the futures, right? Of course, we can trade with the futures, commodity, everything is possible. Only in the exchange, we have to select the proper exchange. In case if you are going only for equity, select NSE. If you are going for a futures, just select NFO, and we can go for, we can select the, suppose in case if you want to choose the Bank Nifty, so choose Bank Nifty. And we are loading the May contract means, so we are loading the May contract. So just press add, right? So once you press the add, so we get the contract loaded here, right? So already there is one question is running. I'll close this position. I'm pressing close. The position got closed. Okay. Second, we have the May future is getting loaded. When I press the add symbol, we can see that the CMP got loaded. That too very instant. After that, we can load the MT4 symbol. Which symbol? We are going for automation, right? So here, for example, I'm integrating with the MT4 symbol of Bank Nifty means. So I'm loading Bank Nifty. Okay. After that, whenever I'm getting a call in the MT4, according to the robot will take the buy and sell. Mr. Srinivas has asked about it. Do you have what we call naked call or the put strategies? Yes, we have the naked call put. So that I mentioned earlier, right? So here in the MT4, we have the both buy and sell calls, right? So here in the option builder, first we have to link with the particular MT4 symbol. So for example, if I want to trade the Bank Nifty, right? So I can choose the Bank Nifty and I can mention the lot, how many lots I am going for for the buy sell, okay? Then after that, here I can what you call mention the lot and I can once press start. So once I press start, okay, whenever getting the what you call buy sell calls here, if I got the buy call or if I got the sell call, okay, the robot will take the position according to the signal, okay. Mr. Baba has asked, do we can use it for existing account holder? Yes, of course, we can use it for the existing account holders. Only we need the AlexBlue login ID, password and the 2FA question. So here you have in the robo, in the top, we have the setting option, right? So in the setting option, because already I just given the credential, so there in the setting option, we have to enter the login ID, password and the 2FA question. That's all. After that, once you press the login, the process is complete. That is very fast. Actually, it will log into Alice Blue, right? Then after that, we can load the symbol and we have to start. Only the what you call 3-step process. Okay, then the next question is it chargeable? Yes, this is of course chargeable. This is what monthly 5,000 rupees and for 1 year will be 30,000 rupees. If you're the new client, if you don't have the account, open through referral. So you can visit our site babajirobotic.com. In the offer section, we given one form, right? So once you fill the form, so you'll get the call from the Alice Blue. You can open the account. So for the customers, the full year charge will be 20,000 rupees. Okay, we have the intraday strategies. So these are the intraday strategy. We are giving 3 strategy. So just we are going for right click and templates. So we have 2.0 Lite and 2.0 Plus and the 7.0 Pro version. Suppose when you are building a what you call strategies, right? Because for this one, what you call iron controls and the butterfly. So we have to press the buttons, right? So this is the manual buy sell buttons. So once you press the button, strategy get built. This is the one time only you are pressing it. Okay. When you are going for a naked buy sell, that is the call buy or put. Okay. So we are going for we are linking with the MT4 strategy. So here in the MT4, we have the buy sell signal. Accordingly, that will take the buy and call. Okay. But if you want to build the strategy, we have to press manual only. Whichever the strategy we want to build it, we have to press the button. That's too simple. Okay, he is asking there is a multiple symbol in Titan. Suppose if you are trading the equities, right? So say for example, if you are going for equity, select NSE. Okay, so we get all the NSE symbols. We are going for the last. It is not BEBL. Okay, we have to scroll down to the end of the list because I didn't loaded the NSE symbol. From the last, you can see it. It will be like a Titan comma. Okay, the token number plus 1 will be there. Okay, Mr. Rathore has. Can I build my own strategy? Yes, of course. If you have a strategy, okay, we can build it in the MT4. Okay, there will be some upfront cost for the building. It will be basic 4,000 rupees. After that, we can integrate with the MT4. Okay, thank you for all for joining for this session. Right? If you have any queries, you can just call me, or you can just visit our site babajirobotic.com. So there in the download section, we give the softwares, and for the demo, you can select our link demo, and the form will be there. So you can just fill the form. You get a 2 days trial. Thoroughly check our softwares. So for the account opening, so you can visit our site. So there in the offer section, we given it. Else for this one, we have the link, direct link. So when you fill this form, from the Alice Blue, they will call you for account opening. I think I have put the link in the chat section also. Everyone can see it, right? So if you have existing account, that will be chargeable 30,000 rupees per yearly. If you are opening through the referral means, it will be 20,000 rupees for full year. So you get the robo strategy, okay, with the data fit. The plus you get the option builder. That is the option champion. You'll get it with the package. So for this session, I will post it in my YouTube channel. Okay. So our YouTube channel is Babaji Trading System. So every day we are giving the live updates. So every day we are giving a new strategy. So accordingly, if you have the account, you can build it from this one. Okay, we will give the call and put everything we are giving in our YouTube channel. And for this session, I'll just posting directly in our YouTube channel, so you can check it. Okay, for everyone, thank you very much.